Welcome to my channel Radaropus Telugu and English by dr.Ande.LakshmiNarasimhaswamy. Today topic is Baptisia tinctoria single rubrics. First in Census Treasury version, 2009 version repertory in single video. This video I will explain all single rubrics of Baptisia tinctoria single rubrics in Census Treasury edition 2009 version. Every rubric is very important in daily practice. Tips present. Please watch all the single rubrics in depth of knowledge of Baptisia tinctoria remedy. Okay. Hello friends, I am dr.Ande.LakshmiNarasimhaswamy. Today I will discuss about Baptisia tinctoria single rubrics. In Synthesis Treasury edition contains 118 rubrics. Every rubric is very important. In Baptisia, not only think typhoid fever is the Baptisia. We can elaborate our knowledge in Baptisia. It is mainly useful in influenza also. Influenza Baptisia contains 7 rubrics in single present. Fully I will explain all the rubrics in all the details in this video. Okay. Normally Baptisia is very deep and straight action. Baptisia mind symptoms. Mind delusions arms are cut off is present in Baptisia. Mind delusions body was scattered about in the bed. Body was scattered about in the bed is present in Baptisia. Mind delusions legs are conversing is Baptisia patient. Mind delusions legs are toe is conversing with the thumb is present in Baptisia. Mind delusions limbs talking to each other is present in Baptisia. Mind delusions he is touched sides, someone touched him on both sides in present in Baptisia patients. Mind dullness morning on rising after rising is present in Baptisia. Mind fear of suffocation during sleep is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Mind restlessness midnight after 2 hours after is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Mind restlessness weak but too weak to move is present in Baptisia. Mind spitting liquids put in the mouth spitting is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Mind stupor with ulcers in Baptisia. Mind tachyton about sickness or injuries is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Mind thoughts wandering, eyes are closed as soon as thoughts are wandering is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Mind wild feeling in head with pain in head. Think Baptisia. Mind wildness during headache. Wildness headache during headache is present, then think we have used this remedy surely. Vertigo symptoms, only one is present. Vertigo accompanied by nose pressing pain, root of nose pressing pain is present, think Baptisia. Head symptoms, only two is present. Head pain, forehead, frontal eminence, supraorbital nerve in Baptisia. Head pain, forehead, frontal eminence, supraorbital nerve, stitching pain is present, think Baptisia. Eye symptoms of the Baptisia: eye lacrimation, walking in open air aggravation, think Baptisia is the remedy. Eye paralysis of lids with vertigo is present, think Baptisia. Ear caries, threatened mastoid from influenza, think Baptisia is the remedy. Eye pain behind the ears after dinner amelioration, think Baptisia. Ear pain, mastoid pressure amelioration, think Baptisia. Ear pain, mastoid extending to orbit is present, then think of the Baptisia is the remedy. Nose symptom, only one is present. Nose water sensation as if posterior nares had passed through posterior nares. Sensation as if water had passed through posterior nares is this sensation is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. Face discoloration red during influenza, think Baptisia. Face expression bestowed during influenza, think Baptisia. Face apthia, black apthia is present, think Baptisia. Mouth apthia, black is present, think Baptisia. Mouth apthia, offensive is present, think Baptisia. Offensive mouth is present in Baptisia. Why? This is the fever, typhoid fever is present, then this is present. Mouth discoloration, tongue brown, yellowish brown, accompanied by sides smooth, yellowish brown is present in Baptisia. Mouth open during unconsciousness. Whenever mouth is open during unconsciousness, think Baptisia is the remedy. Mouth saliva, sweet and bitter is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. Mouth sides smooth tongue is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. Mouth stomatitis ulcerative, nursing mothers is present, think Baptisia. Mouth ulcers mothers ulcers mouth is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. Throat diphtheria, throat symptoms of the Baptisia. Throat diphtheria accompanied by tongue brown discoloration, yellowish brown is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. Throat fullness, afternoon is present, think Baptisia. Throat heat, fauces extending to ears is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. Every symptom is very important in daily practice also. It is these symptoms is present our patients think these symptoms are valuable to diagnosis and treat the patient. Throat pain in children, nursing infants is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. Throat pain in children, nursing infants, sore pain is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. Throat pain extending to posterior nares is present, then think Baptisia is the remedy. Throat ulcers, painless, sinus ulcers is present in throat only. Is the Baptisia only is present? This is the single rubric. Stomach symptoms of the Baptisia. Stomach emptiness in open air amelioration. Think Baptisia. Stomach pain, cardiac reason. Think Baptisia. Stomach pain, cardiac reason, stitching pain is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Stomach vomiting during fever, sudden vomiting during fever is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Abdominal symptoms. Abdominal pain, inguinal reason, glands, walking aggravation. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Abdomen pain, liver, ascending stairs aggravation. Think Baptisia. Abdomen pain, lower abdomen, right side is present. Think Baptisia. Abdomen pain, lower abdomen, right, cutting pain is present. Think Baptisia. Abdomen sensitive skin, right iliac region is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Abdomen sensitive skin. Okay, this is also okay. Over. Rectum diarrhea, rectum symptoms, rectum diarrhea, fever during paroxysmal is present. Think Baptisia is to subside that symptom. Rectum hemorrhoids, afternoon is present. Think Baptisia. Rectum stitcher from hemorrhoids is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Stool order, putrid in old people is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Bladder pain, stitching pain as from needles is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Female genital symptom, only one is present. Female genital and sex, abortion from asthenic fever. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Fever characterized by weakness or feebleness is present, that is the asthenic fever. Larynx symptoms, larynx and trachea, irritation, air passages, afternoon is present. Think Baptisia. Larynx and trachea, swelling, larynx, epiglottis in morning is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Cough symptoms of the Baptisia. Cough accompanied by tongue dark is present. Think Baptisia. Cough irritation from afternoon is present. Think Baptisia. Cyst symptom, only one is present. Cyst turning head aggravation. Think Baptisia. Cyst turning head aggravation in Baptisia. Back symptoms of Baptisia. Back goose flesh is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Back heat flushes extending to body in all directions of the body. Then think that is the Baptisia patient. Back pain, dorsal region, scapula below right scapula. Below right scapula, pressure, amelioration. Think Baptisia. Back pain, sacral region, lying on the face, amelioration. Think Baptisia. Extremities symptoms of the Baptisia. Extremities heat accompanied by coldness of feet is present. Then think that is the Baptisia patient. Extremities numbness, feet motion aggravation in Baptisia. Extremities numbness, hands motion aggravation. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Extremities numbness, upper limbs, left, paralysis of whole left side with upper limbs is present. Think Baptisia. Extremities pain, fingers. Second, rheumatic is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Extremities pain, forearms, bones, radius, stitching pain is present. Think Baptisia. Extremities pain, forearms, bones, ulna, lower part, rheumatic lower part, ulna, bones is present. Think Baptisia. Extremities pain, forearms, lower part, rheumatic is present. Think Baptisia. Extremities pain, knees, extending to fibula is present. Think Baptisia. Extremities pain, lower limbs, stool before lower limbs pain is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Extremities pain, shoulders, thinking of it aggravation. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Extremities pain, thighs, rheumatic stitching pain is present. Think Baptisia. Extremities pain, thighs, anterior part, sitting aggravation. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Extremities pain, thighs, anterior part, sitting aggravation, sore pain is present. Think Baptisia. Extremities tingling, forearms, motion aggravation. Think Baptisia. Extremities tingling, hands, motion aggravation. Think Baptisia. Extremities twitching, shoulders left is present. Think Baptisia. Extremities weakness, shoulders, walking aggravation. After walking aggravation, think Baptisia is the remedy. Extremities weakness, upper limbs accompanied by pain in elbow is present. Think Baptisia. Extremities weakness, upper limbs after walking aggravation. Think Baptisia. Sleep symptoms of the Baptisia. Sleep deep night, midnight after 3 hours until 3 hours is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Sleep position on side curled up is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Sleep prolonged sensation as after a prolonged sleep is present. Think Baptisia. Dream symptoms. Dreams, fights, conquers always is present in Baptisia. Dreams, mouth, chain across mouth, being bound with a chain across the mouth is present in Baptisia. Dreams, snow, smothered in the snow, being smothered in the snow is present in Baptisia. Dreams, working in snow is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Chill symptoms. Chill symptoms of the Baptisia. Chilliness in open air aggravation every evening is present. Think Baptisia. Chill periodical afternoon every other afternoon is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Fever symptoms of the Baptisia. Fever, heat beginning in lumbar region. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Fever periodical every other afternoon is present. Think Baptisia is the remedy. Fever, typhoid fever with septic conditions is present. Think Baptisia. Fever, typhus fever accompanied by tongue brown discoloration, yellowish brown is present. Think Baptisia. Fever, typhus fever accompanied by tongue white discoloration, heavily coated is present. Then think Baptisia is the remedy. Fever, typhus fever accompanied by tongue white discoloration, yellowish white is present. Then think Baptisia is the remedy. Perspiration symptoms. Perspiration odor, penetrating odor is present in Baptisia only. General symptoms of the Baptisia. General's agglutination for blood is present in Baptisia. General's heat flushes of night sensation as if perspiration would break out in Baptisia. General's influenza accompanied by pain bruised pain is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. General influenza accompanied by typhoid conditions is present, think Baptisia. General pain during influenza. During influenza, pain is present, think Baptisia. General pain during influenza, sore pain is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. General paralysis, sensation of paralysis, left side is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. General pulse frequent afternoon 14 hours is present, think Baptisia. General septicemia, blood poisoning appearing suddenly is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. General sleep, long sensation as if slept too long sleep is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. General vaccination of ailments after vaccination for typhoid fever is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. General weakness accompanied by ulcers is present, think Baptisia. General weariness when going to bed is present, think Baptisia is the remedy. So we have used all the symptoms in our daily practice. Influenza is the remedy to use. Here, what are the symptoms covered? Ear care is threatened, mastoid from influenza in Baptisia. Face discoloration red during influenza. Face expression bestowed during influenza. General influenza accompanied by pain bruised is present in Baptisia. General influenza accompanied by typhoid conditions Baptisia. General pain influenza during is Baptisia. General pain influenza during sore pain is present is the Baptisia. These are the influenza symptoms. Seven symptoms. Afternoon. Throat fullness afternoon is present in Baptisia. Rectal hemorrhoids afternoon is present in Baptisia. Larynx and trachea irritation in air passes afternoon is present, think Baptisia. Cough irritation from irritation afternoon is present, think Baptisia. Periodical. Chill periodical afternoon every other afternoon is present in Baptisia. Fever periodical every other afternoon is present in Baptisia. General pulse frequent afternoon to 14 hours is present in Baptisia. These are the clinically important. In every time we can use every symptom. Okay, these are the symptoms of the Baptisia symptoms. This is the synthesis relation rubrics. Next video I will explain in Murphy repertory. Okay, in Baptisia in all the details. And another next day I will explain Barata carb in 2 or 3 parts in frequently useful remedies. Okay, thank you for watching all the rubrics. Please subscribe and watch all the rubrics till share and like. Then I will explain all the rubrics in details. Okay, thank you for watching.